Good morning. It just turned 6. I was gonna leave at 5:30, and then I was like, why leave before the coffee house opens? So I'm actually on my way, I believe Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. I'm going to surprise Rachel, who is graduating from her yogi school or something. I'm not sure what they call it. So I have no idea what I'm gonna get into. I might stay down there, hit the beach. I know today it is really cold in Pennsylvania right now, but it says 80 degrees and sunny at the beach, so we like that. I'm gonna have to hit up an antique mall at some point, but I'm not sure. It's just gonna be a little bit of an adventure this morning. Good morning. So here's how the whole thing came about. Yesterday, I drove down to Outer Banks at like 6 o'clock in the morning. It was like 6. And I found Rachel on the beach. She had no idea I was coming. And I went into the ocean, and then I swam to where she was and got out of the water on her and scared the crap out of her. It was epic. We ended up just hanging out at the beach all day, doing funny stuff, eating my weight in frozen custard, which is one of my favorite pastimes, of course. Then at night, I was just kind of like, it's pretty quiet here. Let me look up what I'm going to do tomorrow. It was nice, but I was like, if I stay here, I'm definitely just going to chill on the beach and nothing else. So I decided to go to Virginia Beach. I've never been there. A little bit of best of both worlds. I stayed oceanfront, and I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then they have like a dozen antique malls around here. So I'm ready for a fun day of exploring, and then make my way back up to Pennsylvania later. All right, I got my adventure hat on, got my coffee in. I am ready to go freaking antiquing. So I'm at Barrett Street Antique Center. It looks super promising. It also looks huge. I think I'm gonna start outside here. Oh my gosh, the weather is so nice. Looks like they have a big outdoor flea market that's not really set up. Lots of buoys, flower stuff. I have a feeling I'm gonna really like this place. What's happening over here? Oh, what is this? That's kind of neat. It's really heavy. Price is definitely right. I think there's 50% marked. Interesting. All right, I'm getting antsy. I'm trying to go inside. I love all the framed Vargas girls, especially the hula one. This place is awesome. Oh my gosh. What? So all the cases kind of look like this. It's pretty overwhelming in here, and so far the prices have been beyond reasonable. Oh my gosh, what is that little angel? Oh, so cute. I hate that everything's locked though. I'm not a big fan of the case situation here. Good grief. I love these angels too. 25 for the pair and 20% off, 25% off. It's really fair. It's just, I've only gotten a few feet in, and I haven't seen it. Oh good, there's other booths. I thought everything in here was cases. Gosh, this is crazy. I had to skip the first one because I saw this head vase. $45. Okay. So not everything here is cheap, but I'm feeling pretty optimistic. Oh my gosh, this place is so much fun. Look at these booths. They're all like done up insanely well. Lots of coastal items, but also surprising amount of variation. This is neat. 75. Ooh. Like this vase too. Looks like it might be new. No, it's not, surprisingly. It's probably expensive. 45. Yeah. Ooh, I really like this vase too. 32. It's a really unique shape. I like the colors too. Ah, flamingos. 25. Cannot do that. This is interesting. Good grief. It's huge. That's neat too. Really different. What's this little kitschy owl? I think this is Royal Copley. Really like that. Even though I'm not a horse person. I know, the joke's getting old now. This ashtray's cool too. Good grief. 32. Definitely retail. Super into this doll head situation. All right, so I'm not the biggest glass person, but those decanters are probably one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. It is $500 for the pair. So they're not coming with me, obviously, but I am completely obsessed. Oh, I love these drinking glasses. Tumblers. $24 for 4. Those are really fun. These lamps are kind of neat too. Well, this is just cool. I love these. Unfortunately, it's too high for me to do anything with, and it's a little too expensive for me to get for myself. Funeral cards. Yeah, this is really neat. This is totally something I would get. Little Christ guy. I think these are so funny. 35. It's definitely retail. This place is kind of backwards. It's like the cheap stuff was up front, and then the more I go in, the more expensive it gets. This is what originally caught my eye, this leopard coat. I love these vintage coats. Oh my gosh, how much is it? $145. That's fair. Wow, look at this set. This is awesome. $800 with chairs. I feel like that's pretty fair. Oh my gosh, this place is awesome. Let's see if there's anything else in here that catches my eye before I move on. What's going on over there in that little kitschy kitchen corner? Pretty run-of-the-mill. Oh, this little baby planter. How cute. 18. Does it have a little pink dot? No. Can't really do anything with that. I was hoping it was one of the sale items. More mid-century stuff. Gosh, everything. Oh, so neat. Let's see. What is this? Hull. I've never seen that before. Don't really see a price tag on it. Maybe I'm missing something. This is cool. Not what I thought it was. Oh, I love this velvet painting. That is so cute. $73. Not that cute. All right, so I love ashtrays, and this caught my eye. It's a candy dish, I guess, $14. I call everything an ashtray. And it's a lot older than I thought. It is glass. That is really neat. It's 40% off 14, so it's like $9 when all is said and done. think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. That is really pretty. This is another piece that kind of caught my interest. MCM Pixie, $26. Unfortunately, it's not one of the sale items. I feel like I could make money off of that, but I'm trying to be a little stingy. In fact, I'm even second guessing this. I'm not really ready to pull the trigger. But also these paintings. These are really funny on the toilet. So these fish here, the radio is really loud in here. 34. Is it each? Yeah, unfortunately it is each. I thought it was for the pair at first. I would have picked those up for sure. An Evel Knievel helmet, so neat. Oh my gosh, that is epic. It kind of looks like I've reached the oversized item and furniture section, unfortunately. Yeah, all this stuff's new. Okay, so very, very cool, but even the little candy dish, it was neat. I just wasn't ready to commit. So I have a lot planned for today. I'm off to my next stop, which is Virginia Beach Antique Mall.